What's going on, everybody? It's day 17. We're trading with 250K worth of funding with Lucid. As you can see right here, it's 9:36 in the morning right now. Market just opened. My pre-market analysis for the day, it's going to be sells again. As you can see, the continuation is holding up pretty nicely. If it continues to sell, of course, we're going to look for sells. And then if it starts to come up above that 50 EMA right here, we're going to then look for longs. But as of right now, we're just looking for some shorts. And as you can see right here on the challenges, we're down about 800 on 4 of them, and then we're up 475 on the main account. And right here, as you can see, there's some news coming up 8:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. but we're not going to be trading at that time, so that doesn't really matter to us. Pretty much a clear day for us. And a new update to how we're going to be going about this challenge is we're going to de-risk a little bit. We're going to go from risking 200 just to risking 100, give ourselves some more room to the downside while giving us more availability to the upside in case we have a good day or a bigger trade, so we don't have to close out on our trades and we have more room to take more losses. I think that'll be better for us, give us a higher chance of passing this. So that's how we're going to go moving forward. All right, so we entered into a position right here. As you can see, we're already at break even. I'm gonna let you guys know how this trade goes because it's getting laggy already every time I record, but I will show you guys the result of this trade. All right, so we just took a break even on that trade right there. As you can see, price came down pretty nicely. It was pretty strong, and then it pretty much completely reversed once it got up there. So all we could do is just take that break even on the chin, then we move on to the next trade, keep executing the way we're supposed to. All right, so we're looking at a beautiful opportunity right here. As you can see, price is selling off pretty nicely. It's making a pause for that MSB1. So I'll be more than happy to take an opportunity right here to get into a trade right here. I'm going to show you guys the results afterwards because, of course, it's extremely laggy. But I'll let you guys know how this trade goes. All right, so boom, we just got out of the trade just now. As you can see, one moment, as it's just loading up. Yeah, so we just took a break even on this trade right here. Price moved very nicely. It tapped the sand, it was going great. Came back down, took a break even. So we're at 2 break evens for the day. We're gonna keep waiting and being patient and waiting for more opportunities to come by and hopefully catch ourselves a win. All right, so we have another beautiful setup coming up right here. As you can see, price is continuing to sell very strongly. There's a second win today in the market. As you can see right here, the MSB1, we took a break even. It started to take off. Right now, it's making a pause for an MSB2. And hopefully, we're trying to step down and catch an entry right here. See if we can put ourselves in the green for the day. I like the way that price is moving. So I'll let you guys know how the trade goes. Again, it's moving too laggy for me. So I'm going to just let you guys know how it goes at the end. All right, so right here, you can see we just took a cool little loss. Nothing much to do. We'll just wait for a better opportunity to come by. Keep continuing to take trades as the momentum is coming into the market. Everything is looking good right now, so hopefully we could just catch something real quick and put ourselves in the green for the day. All right, so we took another trade right here. As you can see, we took a break even, made a pause for that MSB3. Price was moving beautifully at the time. So we ended up taking an entry right there, ended up taking a break even. Let me step down onto the entry time frame real quick. Wait for it to load. Alright, so as it's loading up right here, let me move this to the left a little bit. All right, so there you have it right there on the left. You can see right there we took a break even. Price was moving very nicely to the downside, and then it came back to take us out. So we'll just wait and see if we can catch ourselves another opportunity, and I'll let you guys know how the trades go. All right, so we took a trade right here. As you can see, we took a nice little loss right here. Price was moving really nicely. It came down and it made a MSB1, and we took an entry off of that DSB2. So nothing wrong with the trade at all. You know, it's just part of the game. We got to take the loss on the chin, and hopefully we can catch ourselves one more trade for the day. Hopefully we can catch a win. And if we take one more loss here, we're just finished up for the day. That'll be our third loss. So let's see what happens. All right, so we took a trade right here. We took a nice clean loss. Price was moving very clean. As you can see, it came up and then it started to come down below that demand line. So we took a trade right there. We just took a -1. We lost. So we're done for the day. That's our 3 losses for the day. We're gonna finish up here. See what's going on tomorrow. We blew the main account. We only had about 400 left on the account. We blew it. So let's look at that right now as we wait for this to load. All right, so boom, so we in there right now. As you can see right here, right here on this main account right here, you can see right here it says it's breached. So that account is officially closed. We blew that one, and we still have the other 4. So I'm just gonna buy one more to make it back to 5, and we'll just continue from there. And that's from being up 2K. Again, that's part of the game. I was risking a lot. I didn't de-risk until today. So stuff like that can happen. You can go into a longer term drawdown and the account can get blown just like that. But going forward, we de-risk, so stuff like this can't happen no more. And just stay tuned. We'll see how everything works out. And as you can see, like, we're not even losing that much money, but you know, we're risking a lot on these things. So join the free Discord. The link's in the description. Be able to communicate and grow with me. Talk to people that are in the same space. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.